Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, we will have a walkthrough on how to write a program using bubble sort algorithm to sort a series of numbers using Java programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. So let's begin. So we have here public class main, public static. I declare a method here, void bubble underscore sort, and then int one dimensional array. So int array length, and then using for loop statement. So inner loop, no, we have two for loop. So we have here comparison if else statement, okay, temporary variable, and then arrangement of values here in this algorithm of bubble sort. And then we have here the public static void main, and then I declare a series of values: -5, 134, 6, 450, 235, 15, and 51. So we have here system out point print, \t horizontal tab, bubble sort in Java. And then I will display the unsorted values. These values will be displayed using for loop statement. So here is the display, and then the declaration of for loop I equals 0, I array length increment, and then calling here the bubble underscore sort method to sort the arrays of values. And then after we call it, we will display the series of values in sorted values. Again, we declare a for loop statement to declare the array values, and then we close the body of our main, and then close the main function. As I said earlier guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go with our online GDB where I'm using this to run our program. Let us run the program. So bubble sort in Java, unsorted values, we have -5, 134, 6, 450, 235, 15, and 51. Sorted values, we have -5, 6, 15, 51, 135, 235, and 450. It was sorted in ascending orders. When we say ascending order, from lowest to highest. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on bubble sort in Java programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys. If you are new, be clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.